founder of West Coast Lifestyle Group, and we do real estate on the West Coast. And I am here, literally, with Charlie from the Charlie's Factory. Now, this is such an exciting day for me because I am literally a kid in a candy store. Like, this is amazing. Thank you so much for having us. And Charlie's Chocolate Factory is an award-winning chocolate factory. They've done. How long have you been in business?
48 years now, 60 years before that with a different company.
48 years in business and 60 something with
16 years before.
16 years before with a different company. So Charlie has been making chocolate for a really, really long time. That's amazing. So tell us a little bit how you got started.
Well, the way I got started was after attending UBC, marketing and sales option. It was a 5-year course. We had to write a thesis. So I wrote my thesis in marketing sales of chocolate in Vancouver.
Okay.
And that's how I first got into the business.
That's fantastic.
Worked with a larger company, had stores in Western Canada, and things changed, so went to another business. This excitement of chocolate and started this part-time venture 48 years ago.
So this started because you were passionate about what you were doing.
Exactly.
And I loved what you said earlier in your presentation. What do you tell the kids about being passionate about what they do?
Well, what they should do is do what you enjoy doing. Don't do something you think make a lot of money at. If you enjoy what you do, you make it successful.
I love that. And that's such a great lesson to take away. Love what you do, and then you don't work a day in your life. Is that right?
Exactly.
Yes. And that's what you said. I love that.
That's what I'm doing.
And you're still working?
Yes.
Any plans for retirement?
Well, my thinks I should have retired many years ago, and I'm going to have to spend more time at home, but I'm not giving everything up here. I'll still be around. I'll still be in to meet the groups that come in. We do have anywhere from grade ones to seniors come in and visit us, and I like to talk to them. I like communicating with them, and they enjoy having me here as well.
That's wonderful. So you do tours for everybody from grade 1 to senior groups. That's amazing, and everybody loves chocolate. Like this is the most amazing, and you bring so much joy to people's lives by offering chocolates. And also, what we do with our business, we do little chocolates with our logos, and that's a really huge business for you as well. Offering marketing to businesses being able to market their products.
Right.
Tell us a little bit more about that.
Well, there's a little bit of story behind that, because a number of years ago we were buying molds from a company. The fellow came back from a holiday, and he was talking about retiring. Well, what am I going to do about getting my molds made? So what we did, we negotiated, bought the company from him, and we now make our own molds, and we make them for other companies as well.
And very custom to the company's logo or whatever they need to be.
Whatever they want, we can make up for them.
That's amazing. And you also do themed chocolates.
Yeah.
So for Father's Day, for office, for fun chocolates as well.
You get other occasions. Who does things for St. Patrick's Day? We even do St. Patrick's Day. But we're known for the variety of things that we make, and we make a big variety of things. One lady phoned up one day, and she said, I just phoned up for 3 different things that I don't think you have. All 3 of the items we were able to have, we had them in stock, and she was able to come in and pick them up.
That's amazing. Just one-stop shop.
Yeah. If you phone other stores and say they want an airplane or a Lamborghini, something like that, they say, we don't have one. If anybody's got one, Charlie's got one, go and see him.
Charlie's got one,
we developed that part.
That's fantastic. That's so great. And now, in terms of marketing, I mean, you've been such a successful business for 48 years here. What do you do for marketing? What's one of your biggest ways to bring in new clients and so forth?
The corporate molds are one of them, because people who get them, they say that's good chocolate, they like it, they come back again.
It's really good chocolate.
Another thing that comes back by marketing is, because my background is marketing and sales, for instance, we had a break-in close to Easter time at our place here. Windows were broken.
Oh, wow.
And a lot of the bunnies and so forth stolen.
Somebody stole the bunnies? They broke in to steal the bunnies.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So anyway, I phoned the RCMP, but I also thought, I wonder how busy the television station is. So I phoned up the television station. They arrived before the police did.
Oh.
And there's a video of them operating, getting out of the car. talking to the RCMP officer and so forth. As a result of this got on the news, not only locally, but I had a friend from Toronto phone. I saw you on television. What are you doing there? And Winnipeg the same way. But that Saturday after that, we had the biggest Easter Saturday we ever had. So when people come in on business opportunities, I said, you've got to turn a negative into a positive.
I love that. I love that. And that's a lesson to take away as well, to
Exactly.
turning a negative into a positive. And you took it into an opportunity to grow your business and so forth. So that's wonderful. So tell us a little bit about some of the community events. I mean, there's a lot of awards. You've been around so long, and there's so much that you contributed, and you were part of Burnaby for so long. So tell us a little bit more about that.
Well, we've been in business in Burnaby for 48 years. In addition to that, I've been a resident of Burnaby for 64 years. And we do get along with everybody here. We have, whether it's the health department, whether it's the fire department, whether it's the city hall. As a matter of fact, when we first built the river, we had the mayor of Burnaby come for a special event, and he did the ribbon cutting for our chocolate river.
And that was how long ago?
Well, that one was about, that was over 20 years ago.
So 20 years ago you had the first river.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the last one we built was about 7 years ago, and it was a new mayor, so we had the mayor in for the ribbon cutting as well.
That's amazing.
But we also work with various operations. We're members of the Burnaby Board of Trade. We're members of CFIB, Canadian Federation of Independent Business. And we work with a lot of organizations, because every school and every church that has a fundraising product, they come to us, and as much as possible, I try and work out a donation for them, so they get something there that they can raise their money with.
That's wonderful, and it is being part of that. And so you were Best of Burnaby. You were voted Hall of Fame, Burnaby Hall of Fame.
No, Burnaby Business Hall of Fame.
Burnaby Business Hall of Fame.
The other one was the North American Candy Hall of Fame, which is a large thing, which was unexpected because we're a small company, didn't expect anything, but it was friends of ours in the same business, Charles Favell, who put our name forward to be inducted into that.
That's amazing. What an accomplishment. And from what I understand, this is a lot of your family works here. So this is you have your children, your grandchildren involved in this company. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Yeah, we have 2 sons and 2 daughters, and we have 2 granddaughters. Well, both sons work with us, and one granddaughter works with us as well. And over the years, my wife has worked with us. It's interesting because when I went to university and you write a thesis, in the old days, everything had to be typed out. And you have to have somebody who knows how to type those, because one mistake and you start all over. Well, I had a gal I was going out with, and she was the secretary of the City Hall in Vancouver. She's the one who typed it for me. And then a few years later, we got married.
Oh, just like that. And this was 64 years ago?
This was 64 years ago.
64 years ago. So Charlie's been married 64 years. Now you built your home in Burnaby as well, about 60-something years ago as well. So a long-time Burnaby resident. Now, what I'd really love to know, what is your secret to stay married for that long?
Well, really, my wife puts up with me because, I don't spend as much time at home as I should.
You're working, yeah.
We're very fortunate that we have taken a lot of trips together, and we enjoy traveling. So, as I say, we have been to unusual places, like we even went to Antarctica one year on a trip going around South America and Antarctica. And we've been to a number of places with our chocolate people. One year we toured 2 weeks in Germany visiting chocolate places. And my wife has been there because she used to work with me, and she knows chocolate and understands it.
Okay.
The biggest challenge right now, my wife is sensitive to some food products.
Okay.
She's got to be dairy free and gluten free, and unfortunately chocolate free too. And she used to love chocolate.
No.
So
that is unfortunate.
That's unfortunate.
That is really unfortunate. What is your favorite type of chocolate?
Well, I still prefer milk chocolate. Now, 75% of North Americans prefer milk chocolate. 75% of Europeans prefer dark chocolate.
Okay.
The dark chocolate's marginally better for you because it's more cocoa mass,
That's
more
right.
cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is a good fat, it's good for the heart. Good chocolate's good for you.
So if I hear you correctly, with my selective hearing, chocolate's good for you.
Good chocolate is good for you.
Good chocolate is good for you. Okay.
And the cocoa butter, it has to have the cocoa butter, cocoa mass.
Fantastic. So I'm going to go home and eat a lot of chocolate. So that's fantastic. So Charlie and the Chocolate Factory are on social media, so we're going to put the links below. Please follow them and give us a thumbs up as well on YouTube and subscribe. And I'm sure I'll see you because I'm going to be shopping here a lot more.
Well, thank you very much for coming.
Thank you.
Appreciate having you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for spending your time and your day with us. Really appreciate it.